Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Digital Good Mind. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you the interesting and amazing work that this particular bot, which is Utrading Bot, has been doing since I started using it. This should be a week plus I started using it. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you every details that you need to know about this bot, and also how you can start making money as well with this particular boat. You understand? So I started using this boat. You're going to see, I think I started using it last 2 Saturdays. You understand? So this is a week plus I started using it, and it has been so amazing. The operation is so massive and very interesting. You understand? So um let's get started. So before I go forward, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, if this is your first time of seeing this video, please do well to click on the subscribe button and do like this video and drop your comment after watching this video. So let's get started, guys. So if I should come to the boat, you see that I don't have any running trade. You understand? So if I should go to start trade, these are the trades that that I have traded so far. You understand? So now let's go through my profit. As you can see, the last profit I got was about $5 plus, right? As you can see it here, this is about $5. So this one I hopped out from the trade. I don't really I can't remember what happened, why I came out. So let's continue. um, so these are the trade. This one gave me about $19. So this one was $11, right? As you can see, almost $12. This one is $5. This one is $19 a profit, as you can see. So let's keep going down. This is $8 again. So this is really amazing. This is $8 again, as you can see. This is minus $37. This is another $8. So these are records, you understand, of the earnings. So these are about $3, you understand. So this is minus 30 something cents. This is minus 1 cent. This is $9 again. So that is the profit that I have now gotten so far. Is not all, but if I keep going down, you'll see more of it. You understand? So let me show you. Let me show you this. So now if you should come to my assets, you see showing my balance in Bybit, right? It's showing my balance in Bybit. So let me explain to you. So far this is the result. The ones I have not taken, you understand, to add is in here, but I have not added it there. You understand? So this is the profit I have realized so far. You understand? So now let me explain to you how this robot works. And the first thing, as you can see here, what I bought is 95 gas. I sent this money to this place. I sent this $95 to this boot, and I use this. So look at it here. I sent it here, and let me remove all of this. I sent this here plus $95, and I use this to buy the gas. Now let me explain to you how it works. Now this is a boot that you need to, once you register, you understand. So I'm going to be dropping a link under on the description box that will enable you to join this boat. You understand? But for the best thing you can do is to connect with me to join my community. You understand? Which is the Global Billionaires Network. This will give you access to all the benefits that you can enjoy here. You understand? Now it's not enough having this boat. It's not even enough sending the money or buying the gas. Is enough when you know how to operate, how to set the parameters, so that you'll be able to generate this kind of massive profits. You understand? So now let me go to this place. Let me go to the store. Now in this store, as you can see here, so once you're able to register, and the registration is free here. Once you're able to register, and and you have your capital, the first thing is you register. Registration is free. The second thing is buying the gas, and the third thing is having your capital, trading capital, which will be in your exchange. You're not giving it to anybody. You understand? Your money is under your control. Now you have your you have your money down in your exchange. You understand? So now, how will you activate this robot? That is what I want to talk about now. You can activate this robot by sending in. Let me show you how to send in this money here. So now let's go back to my dashboard. So you're going to click on deposit, which is this one. Let me still go back. So this is it here. Sorry, I think I'm already in the deposit. So let me go back. So this is the deposit here. If you want to buy this robot, you go to the deposit here. As you can see, you click on the deposit, it's going to open this. So you're going to select, this is the network I selected, USDT. You understand? So when you select USDT, it's on USDT, which is recommended already. So just click on next. So when you click on next, then it will take you to the next page. So you're going to select the network you will use. For me, I used Arbitrum 1, right? This is the one I used when I was depositing. So you click on it and it's going to give you, so then you select next and you take the address by clicking on this, and you send the money. You understand? So I'll be dropping the link to my community so that you'll be able to join us. You understand? It's very important so that you'll be able to have the right knowledge on how to use this bot and make this kind of massive profit. You understand? So now the options here is 4,500 UGAs, which is for 4,005 which is for $45. This one does not really make sense because it's like when you are testing the bot. You understand? So the next one is this 95 UGAs. The 95 UGAs is the speed one. You understand? This one is like testing, which is the $45. It's like the testing, but this $95 is the main, is where you start the speed one. You understand? Now, if you have money, you can go for $540, which will give you 60,000 UGAs. And you know the amazing work is that with this 540, and you have a good capital, like up to 500, 300, $500, you make massive profit because the bot, in fact, the response, it will be very massive. You understand? So the response will be more higher than when you are using the UGAs of the UGAs of $95. You understand? So these are the options. You can buy this. This one is the $540, and the next one here is the $1,700, and the next one here is $2,400. So depending on the capacity, on your own capacity, the next one is 3,700, and the last one is this 3,750, and the last one is 7,000. Now let me tell you the amazing work of this. The higher the UGAs you purchase, the higher profit you get because the bot will be in higher response to signal, to closing of your trade, to giving you a very nice profit. You understand? So that is the packages you can come in here. So now this is the benefit you'll be getting for joining my community. One is that we're not just going to be giving you the settings on how to make this money. We're going to give you other opportunities, you understand, to make more money. You understand? Like me, I'm not using only the signal, I'm using my own analysis. Let me just show you something. So this is my report, and this is my Telegram channel. So I forgot to say this. The link to my Telegram channel will be on the description box. You can connect with me through that link. If you join, you'll be able to even send message from there. So this is, I send signal as well, apart from what the bot is doing. If you want to take a manual trade by yourself, you can do that. You understand? So this is a signal that I sent. You understand? This is a signal that I sent. And this is a video, I don't want to play that. So this profit, I think this profit I sent it this morning. This is 12, right? Today is 12 of this. So I sent this profit, that I earned this profit just early morning. Check the time that I sent it. I made about 5 a.m. right? About 5:20, about 5, right? sorry, about 2:51 a.m. Look at the time here, 2:51 a.m. I have made how many dollars? I have made, as you can see here, in 2 days, yesterday and early morning today, I have made about this. So, but this is not just it. I later made another one. This is it, $40. So I think I did not send the last one, which was it was about $45. I earned just this morning. As you can see the time here, everything is written here. So at this time, which is 4 a.m., I have made about $40 plus. So I later made the other one later on. So now let me show you this. I sent signals here as well. Look at this. This is a signal that I sent. You understand? This is a signal I sent. I say, okay, this is what will happen if market comes here, reject. Now you take a shot. You understand? You take a shot. Let me scroll to the next. So this is the next this. You see? Now the reason why I did not enter this market was that I was sleeping. I traded till 4 a.m. So I was asleep when it retraced back and it went up. You understand? So that is what really happened. That if you check here, you see I did not enter the trade at all. Just check. You see there is no sign of entering here for those that know how to trade. Now let me check another one. Now this is another one. This is another one. Let me go out from here. You will see this is another one here. This is another one. So I say wife, which is coin wife. I say is going long. So now look at what happened. I draw this. I say okay, no, okay. So this is what I draw. I say okay. If it rejects here, you take a long, right? Now look at it here. It rejected, and I took a long. It rejected. So I send signal that I'm in. So look at it. It's playing out. So it's playing out, right? As you can see this thing here, and I entered this trade here. So it was very short trade, right? So now what really happened. Let me show you. So what really happened. At this point, say we are up in profit, right? So we are up in profit, and I saw what market was doing. I went out. I said I'm out. You understand? So look at it here. I said I'm out. Now I'm just showing you the benefits, and those that were with me, they took this trade together. You understand? Now look at another trade that I sent the signal as well. So this one I said, just read the content. Read the content here. So I said, watch out for this reaction. If it plays, take a shot and place your stop loss to the recent high, right? Now look at, let's check what later happened in the market. Now, do you see what is happening? What happened here? I say keep watching and only enter at the pullback if there is a pullback. Now let's keep going. Now, did you see what is happening? Now look at what happened. So no, this is the pullback here. I say short now. You understand? Short now. Did you see it? Short now. Now this is when I have entered the market. This is when I have entered. As you can see, the red which is S, short. I've entered the market. So let's see what market did. Now I'm just analyzing market so that you see more reason why you need to join our community. So look at what really happened here. It was going down, right? I say okay, I'm out. I think I left there. Okay, where did I even left the market? So look at it. I said I'm out. I'm out. The reason is because I was busy with other things, so I don't want to keep watching. I'm out, though the market still go down, and it still went down. You understand? So now why am I showing you this? To for you to know that even with what we are giving you, we have not even given you signal. So this is a massive movement. So if you are interested about this, you want to join this, I'm telling you that the benefit of this is that your money is within your control. Everything you're doing here is within your control. The only money that is going out from you is the money you are sending for the UGAS. It's the money that you are sending to the booth for the UGAS. So join our Telegram community. You send message via the message. So here you can, once you tap here, you can be able to send message, and I will also be dropping my link so that you'll be able to connect with me direct. Yes, so everything here is transparent. There is nothing like hidden stuff here. So that is it. So that is it for the bot. So once you join our community and you register with our link, I'll be able to give you access to the right settings that I'm using to make this massive profit. As you can see, as you saw there, let me go back again. I was up profit of about $100 and something, right? So look at it here. So this is about $104. You understand? So that is just it. So thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to have you in our Telegram channel. The link will be under the description box. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed, please do what to click on the subscribe button. Click on the give me a thumbs up, like this video, so that YouTube will be able to push it to other people that would love to have this kind of opportunity. Thank you, and bye.